Hello everyone. Welcome to 7. Will Vikram lander make soft landing at 6 p.m. tomorrow? Ahead of the historic landing scheduled for tomorrow at 6 p.m., the Indian Space Research Organization announced on Monday that they will organize a live telecast of the landing process, which will begin at 5:20 p.m. on the same day. 15 minutes of terror. What should happen in the final minutes of Chandrayaan-3 lander's descent on the Moon? The critical technical maneuver that the Chandrayaan-3 lander will have to perform on August 23 when it enters the final 15 minutes of its attempt to make a soft landing on the Moon will be to transfer its high-speed horizontal position to a vertical one, in order to facilitate a gentle descent onto the surface. These final 15 minutes on Wednesday evening will determine the success of the mission. The lander module of Chandrayaan-3, with the lander Vikram and rover Pragyan, has been searching for the perfect spot for landing after completing all the necessary orbiting and deboosting maneuvers around the Moon. A two-way communication was established between Chandrayaan-3's lander module and Chandrayaan-2's orbiter on Monday, according to ISRO. Welcome, buddy. CH-2 orbiter formally welcomed CH-3 LM. Two-way communication between the two is established. Chandrayaan-2's lander was unable to successfully touch down on the lunar surface and lost communication in September 2019 after reaching an altitude as close as 2.1 kilometers. The Indian Space Research Organization is set to make history tomorrow, when its third moon mission, Chandrayaan-3's lander module attempts to land on the lunar surface at approximately 18.04 hours IST. It all comes down to the final 15 minutes, when the lander carries out a critical technical maneuver, transferring its high-speed horizontal position to a vertical one, in order to facilitate a gentle descent onto the surface. 1 day to touchdown, ISRO says mission on schedule. Thank you.